Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have built your website with Squarespace and you are now ready to start selling your products, your services or accepting donations, then setting up payment is your next big step. So whether you are running an online store, a portfolio with booking services or even a non-profit website, Squarespace makes it pretty simple to connect the payment providers like Stripe and PayPal and even Afterpay, and it is also going to provide you Square for in-person sales. So in this video, I will walk you through the complete process of setting up payments on Squarespace, from connecting your store to a provider, setting up your currencies and checkout settings. And we are also going to see the testing of your checkout flow to make sure that you are actually ready to go live. Now, before proceeding into this video, make sure you check out the useful links in the description. These are the links of all the resources mentioned in this video. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to go to your commerce settings and you are going to find your commerce setting on your Squarespace account. For that, first of all, come on squarespace.com and then log in into your account. Then click on this get started option here and select the website on which you are actually working. In the left hand menu, you will see the commerce option, so you can click on commerce and then go to payments, or what you can do is you can simply use this search bar in the top and search for payments. Now once you search for payments, you will find payments here, so simply click on payments, and as soon as you click on payments option, you will see Stripe, PayPal, Square, etc. So this is where you will see all of the available payment options you can enable for your online store. Here are some of the main options, as I said earlier: Stripe, PayPal and Squarespace. If you are residing in United States, you will also be able to see Afterpay here. So here is how you can move forward to the next step. Now you need to select which service you want to connect here. For example, you want to connect Stripe, so you need to click on this connect option and it will open a new dialog box in front of you. Basically, you will be redirected to Stripe or Stripe's official website, where you can either sign in to your existing Stripe account or you can even create a new account. You need to fill out your business details, your bank email, your bank account details, your verification details, etc. All of the confidential details you will have to provide here. Then you will be able to establish the connection of your Stripe account with your Squarespace. Now once your Stripe is connected successfully, Stripe will automatically link back to Squarespace, and now any customer that can pay using Visa, MasterCard, American Express and more, they can basically use it. Stripe also enables Apple Pay and Afterpay option if supported in your region. Similarly, if you want to connect PayPal, you need to simply click on the PayPal option, and it is saying that you can't actually connect a PayPal account while in trial mode, so make sure that you have a premium account of Squarespace. So you need to simply click on the connect option and it will redirect you on paypal.com. Over here, you need to click on the login option in the top right hand corner of the screen and you need to sign in with your PayPal business account. Remember that it should be a PayPal's business account. Then you need to authorize Squarespace to actually connect it, and now your checkout page will give customers the option to actually pay with PayPal alongside cards. So if you don't have a business PayPal account, you will need to upgrade it. It's free to do as of right now, so I would recommend you to do it. Now in order to set up your currencies, tax and checkout pages, you need to go to your payment settings, and in your payment settings you can set the default currencies. So as you can see, for my store currency it is INR, but you can click on it and then go to currencies section, and here you will see a bunch of different currencies that you can choose. So you can set your store's default currency as USD or EUR, GBP, etc. So you can enable express checkout if you want to skip to the payment faster, and you can also head to the taxes and shipping if you sell physical products. Now once you are done with it, simply click on the save option in the top right hand corner of the screen and you can save your settings. Now if you are a service based business, you can skip the taxes and shipping entirely, and you can also check the checkout page design under the settings option, and you can customize the checkout page your thank you message, your field, and further confirmation layouts. Now, if you want to test your payment system, you can add a low priced product to your store like $1 and then go to the live site and go through the checkout page. You can use a real card or a PayPal. You can get refunded later through Stripe and PayPal. So you can do that. And if the payment goes through, the setup is working perfectly. If you see any kind of error, you need to just double check whether your Stripe and your PayPal accounts are verified and connected to Squarespace. And you also need to see that your bank account is connected to Stripe and PayPal and it is working easily. Product that is marked as visible are basically available, so make sure that both of these things are also present there. So this is how you can set up your Squarespace payments from start to finish. So if this video helped you out, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and check the description for helpful setup links. Drop a comment if you want a tutorial on some other query. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.